To enable or disable auto-replace Samsung keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus. Open Settings. Swipe up or down to show app screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Tap Language and Input. Tap On-Screen Keyboard. Tap Samsung Keyboard. Tap Predictive Text. Tap Predictive Text switch until blue to turn on. Tap Auto Replace. Select language keyboard you want, tap switch until blue to enable or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.